In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create a shape key animation. This method can be utilized to create an inner working animation for various mechanical meshes. Let's create a cylinder. We need to add the solidify modifier. The idea is to use the cube as a Boolean object to make the upper part of the cylinder disappear. Let's add a shape key on the cube. In edit mode, decrease the size of the cube like this. The idea is to animate the cube shape key value, after adding the Boolean modifier to the cylinder mesh. Let's select the cylinder and shade smooth. We'll need to auto smooth as well. To set a keyframe, hover the cursor on the area that needs to be animated, and type I, as in India, to set a new keyframe. This is the end of the tutorial. Thank you for watching.